EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Martich with your outlook for the weekend, July 15th and 16th, 2023. First things first, I'm on vacation the entire week between the 15th and the 22nd. So if you're looking for the daily forecast video during the work week, there is not going to be one. And this is going to be remaining on the website for a full week until I get back and update the new one, which is going to be for Monday morning, the 24th of July. So that is the next video update that we're going to do. And, I'm going to give you as much information as I can about the upcoming week today, so you have an idea what we're dealing with, and then we'll get back into the normal routine once I get back here on Monday the 24th. Pitch a Tent Rental Company sponsors the weekend video forecast. Pitch a Tent is located in Fogelsville, Pennsylvania, and serves the greater Lehigh Valley and surrounding regions. You never know what Mother Nature is going to give you, and you can count on Pitch a Tent to be all in when it comes to helping you with a party, wedding, or outdoor event. No matter what the event, they want to pitch a tent in your backyard. They rent tents, tables, chairs, lighting, and yard games. They have heaters for when it's cold and fans that blow when it's hot. Rest assured, they deliver, set up, and pull out when it's all said and done. Go to pitchatentrentals.com and let them know you heard about them on this video, and they'll provide you with a 10% discount on your order when you mention the EPAWA video. They are Pitch a Tent Rental Company in Fogelsville, Pennsylvania, proud sponsors of the weekend video forecast. So this weekend is going to be a tale of two different days, and I don't want to give the idea that it's going to be a total loss this weekend, okay? Because you're going to have isolated thunderstorms in our southeastern areas right here. These areas right here. This is the areas I'm highlighting today for the opportunity for isolated to widely scattered thunderstorms during the afternoon and early evening. And that's it. That's just those areas, and that's it. Not a lot of activity today, and then overnight tonight we're going to have some rain moving in, rain and thunderstorms that are going to, scattered thunderstorms are going to go into Sunday morning. There'll be a little bit of a break, and then you have more thunderstorm possibilities in the afternoon on Sunday. There is a locally heavy rainfall threat here for Sunday, but it's not like it was last Sunday. Okay, so if you remember last Sunday, it was giving many areas across the region got 3 to 5 inches of rain. Some areas got 6, 7, 8 inches of rain out of that. I don't think we're doing a repeat of that. I don't. I still don't think it's going to actually, to be honest with you, I think it's going to be significantly less than what we just dealt with last Sunday. But there is heavy rain potential because we have slow-moving storm motions, and that could lead to some training storms over the same areas and just kind of exacerbating the situation with heavy rainfall, okay? So could you get a quick 1 to 2 inches of rain in some areas? Yes. We're looking at another situation where we're dealing with some areas getting, like Berks County, Ole, Fleetwood last week, getting 8+ inches of rain. I don't think we're dealing with that, okay? Isolated thunderstorms today as to get over the NAM high-res future simulated radar, starting us off at mid-afternoon. Again, the focus areas today are going to be right in here, right along either side of I-95. I think that's your focus area for scattered showers and thunderstorms. We're not looking at severe weather in large part today. Doesn't mean they're not going to put up severe thunderstorm warnings. Listen, when they put up a severe thunderstorm warning, it does not make the storm severe, okay? I'm not trying to do that to slam the National Weather Service, because what they will do is, again, 58 miles per hour of wind or greater gust, in terms of gusts, in a thunderstorm is considered severe. But they will take into account every bit of damage that is taking place. And in the summertime, when you have, like I said yesterday, you have full leaf coverage on the trees and saturated ground, these all contribute to severe damage that isn't necessarily by definition severe wind, okay? So we're dealing with, we have 35 miles per hour or greater wind. That is a possibility that it could knock a branch down or be a small tree or that kind of thing, knock out power. Next thing you know, that's a severe report and it counts, okay? So usually 35 is the threshold, but if you get some winds that are 40, 45, it doesn't seem like it's a severe deal, but that can take down some branches and trees. And if it falls the right way on power lines and blocking roadways and things like that, that's damage, okay? And it counts, okay? So that's what they're doing. So I don't think we're dealing with like 58 plus winds today. Again, another day where some of these most robust cells could produce 35 to 45 miles per hour, and they may put up a severe thunderstorm warning because of that, because they know that it's the summertime, a lot of leaf coverage, and it doesn't take much to produce any damage across the region. So here is that area. Again, you can focus on these same areas that I just circled across these areas right in here on either side of I-95. Isolated to widely scattered PM thunderstorms that'll go into early evening, and then then we get a little bit of break before the next batch comes through overnight, and then you have scattered thunderstorms moving through during the evening and overnight. And again, some of these will be training over the same areas. Look, this is look just past midnight here, where you have scattered showers and thunderstorms over the Lehigh Valley, and that continues to train over the same areas in that same area over the Lehigh Valley. Doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be there, but the idea here is that we're going to have training storms over the same areas and the opportunity for locally heavy rainfall on several occasions throughout the night, and that's going to go into Sunday morning. Once we get to Sunday morning, I think we get a little bit of a break. This moves off to the north and east by about noon, and then you get in the afternoon and evening. You have another line of storms coming through during the afternoon. So that's what we're dealing with on Sunday. It's not a total loss on Sunday. Not a total loss on Saturday either. This weekend's going to feature scattered showers and thunderstorms with all these boundaries in the vicinity and shortwaves in the vicinity that you will have the opportunity for scattered showers and thunderstorms, whether it's widely scattered on Saturday in those areas I mentioned, or a little bit more widespread overnight Saturday night, and at least to start Sunday and then later Sunday. There's times in between there where you can kind of navigate around these storms. It's not a total washout, okay? We get past this point. We're going to set it into an every other day pattern here in the week ahead. So Sunday is the first day of this first short wave. Then you get a break Monday. Tuesday we have another opportunity. You get a break Wednesday. Thursday, you have another opportunity. So this is going to be an every other day deal this week coming up. And we have a mostly sunny day here on Monday. Here's the scattered showers and thunderstorms here on Sunday, by the way, on the European model. Here's Monday. Nothing in our region. That is a mostly sunny day, very warm day as well. And then the next disturbance around that upper level low is in south central Canada. That's spinning these little disturbances every other day through our region. Will come through here on Tuesday afternoon. Scattered showers and thunderstorms late in the day here on Tuesday. And then guess what? Wednesday, back to nothing. Nothing across the region again. Just partly cloudy skies. A little bit lower humidity as well on Wednesday. And the next disturbance will come in here on Thursday or later Thursday. Here's those scattered showers and thunderstorms, and associated with that, there may be some lingering effects here into Friday here as well next week. But it does look like that moves out. And then when I come back here on Sunday, it does look like dry here for the second half of next weekend. That's getting way ahead. When you start looking at a forecast for precipitation that far ahead, you're kind of like tossing the dice there and hope it lands on 7 or 11, because otherwise you're playing with fire, okay? And you're going to get snake eyes every time trying to pinpoint an exact forecast that far ahead. I don't normally like to do that in these videos because going the farther out you go, the less accurate these precipitation forecasts are. So I don't want to speculate about next weekend again, but I will be back here on Sunday the 23rd, and we will go from there with a new week going ahead, which actually leads in my birthday week after that. So again, we will be out of the grid here for the next week. If you're looking for the daily forecast video for any day during the work week of the 17th through the 22nd, like we normally have these daily forecast videos, you will not find it. This is going to be remaining on the website for a full week, and just so you know that there's not going to be updates this week while I am away on a vacation. I have a disconnect vacation, which I'm disconnecting from not only the weather, but the business side of things that I run and all that stuff. We're just going to have a nice time enjoying time with family and unplugging for a bit. I'm EPAWA meteorologist Bobby Marchus. That is your outlook for this weekend, July 15th and 16th, 2023. Have a great Saturday and Sunday.